Are you tired?
No, I'm not tired.
Is John sleepy?
Yes, he is sleepy.
Are they your neighbors?
Yes, they are.
Am I late?
Yes, you are.
Are Susan and Paul late?
No, they are not late.
Are they at the station?
Yes, they are.
When is the next train?
The next train is at 7.
Is the train coming?
No, it's not coming.
Is the train late?
Yes, it is.
Is your school far from your home?
No, it's not far.
Is the weather good today?
Yes, the weather is good today.
Is it cloudy today?
No, it's not cloudy today.
Is it rainy today?
Yes, it's rainy today.
Is the sky blue today?
Yes, it is.
Are there apples in the basket?
Yes, there are.
Is there some milk in the fridge?
Yes, there is.
Is there a girl in the classroom?
No, there isn't.
Are there many computers in the office?
Yes, there are.
Are the kids at the park?
Yes, they are.
Are you an only child?
No, I'm not an only child.
Is Kevin your best friend?
Yes, he is.
Is Marta your teacher?
Yes, she is.
Is your friend Kevin tall?
Yes, he is tall.
Is your sister short?
No, she is not short.
Is your father taking a bath?
Yes, he is taking a bath.
Is your mother busy?
Yes, she is busy.
Are you eating something?
Yes, I am.
Was the meal delicious?
Yes, it was.
Was Paul at home yesterday?
No, he wasn't.
Where was Paul yesterday?
He was at the movies.
Was the movie long?
No, it wasn't long.
Was the movie interesting?
Yes, it was.
Are you enjoying the party?
Yes, I am.
Is the phone ringing?
Yes, it is.
Is this your bag?
No, it's not.
Is it a good idea?
Yes, it's a good idea.
Is it a problem for you?
No, it's not.
Am I talking too fast?
No, you are not.
Is the music too loud?
No, it's not.
Am I making too much noise?
No, you are not.
Are your parents traveling?
Yes, they are.
Are they enjoying the trip?
Yes, they are.
Is Lucy having a lunch?
Yes, she is.
What is she eating?
She is eating pizza.
What is her favorite food?
Her favorite food is meatloaf.
What is Mary's favorite drink?
Her favorite drink is wine.
Is the coffee cold?
No, it's not.
Are you feeling sick?
No, I am not.
Are you allergic to anything?
No, I am not.